Hey guys, it's Hannah here and I have a very exciting video ahead for me and for you, hopefully. I have two brand new planners here. I haven't even seen them myself. This is as far as I've gone to open them before I do it on camera with you guys. Yes, I bought myself not one, but two brand new KIKKI planners, and these are both in A5. And you can maybe guess which ones it is based on, you know, the boxes alone. But before I open these, I just want to show you that I have a little bonus planner that I'm gonna show you in this video as well. This was not planned when I ordered these, but I got this one this week and I wanted to show you anyway. So you just have to wait till the end of this video to see what this is. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with this one right here. I'm gonna put this one aside for now. You can probably guess what it is, but it is a mint box, as you can see, a light, super pretty mint. You see that here, there's a gorgeous pattern. Yes, I indeed got myself the mint KIKKI planner. And, oh my goodness, this is the first time I'm seeing it myself. Okay, so, I mean, I can just slide this off, I think. Yes! Here she is. Oh my goodness, it's a gorgeous mint color. It is like a regular leather, but I love this because it's smoother, you know, than a textured leather. And I think this color is it's a really light, creamy, kind of pastel light mint color, but I love this. I love pastels. This box is gorgeous though too. And it does have rose gold hardware, and you can see also the foiling here is rose gold and not regular gold. And this one I have a very clear setup already in mind, which is gonna feature a lot of pastels. I'm so excited about it and I can't wait to show you guys once I actually have set it up. But now let's open it and see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I mean, I guess it is set up in a regular KIKKI fashion. I noticed something here with the pockets. I'm not sure if this is how it's supposed to be, but I feel like the pockets are kind of like they're not straight. I feel like they're a little bit, I don't know, tilted. Is that how you say it? Is that just my eye? I'm not sure. Maybe they're supposed to be like this. I'm gonna have to go back to the product photo and check, but I feel like they're a little, yeah, tilted. They're not completely straight. But this one is, maybe you can see a comparison there. Maybe it's supposed to be this way. Maybe it's a new style, or maybe it's a mistake. I'm gonna check. So I'm not gonna open this planner up completely. I'm gonna have to do some closer inspections, maybe even off camera. All right, so the next planner I got, maybe you can guess which this one is. Actually, it already says here, it says large leather event planner. And now this might sound kind of weird. It's an event planner. I'm not gonna use it as an event planner because I'm not I'm not an event planner. But I have been loving this planner since it came out. I've been loving the colors, the style, the design, everything about it. And now I felt like, am I gonna wait until it sells out and I can't get it anymore? Am I gonna do the same mistake I've done with several planners in the past? No. I'm not gonna do that. So I took my chance and I got it while it was still available. And here it is. Oh my goodness, so pretty, and I haven't even seen her completely yet. This is a super pale pink, by the way, and this box, as you could see, was black and white. I love it. Oh. Okay, so taking this off. Oh my goodness, here she is. Oh my goodness. Once again, we have this super awesome leather. I don't know how to describe it, but I love it because it's a little bit squishy, it's soft, and it looks really good. Maybe you can see it easier on the black one here, the texture. I mean, the mint and the black, they're the same type of leather and the texture is the same. But something that's super cool with this one, you can see it is black. It is white polka dots, but it also has gold foiled polka dots all over it. Not exactly all over, as you can see, it kind of stops here, but that's okay. Now, I already have a black A5 KIKKI planner actually, but that one is all black all around. It does have, you know, gold hardware, just like this one. But this cover, I just love this cover so much. But the biggest difference with my other black one, because my other black one is black with white polka dots inside, and this one is pink, as you can see. Oh my goodness, I love the inside of this planner so much. Okay, so as you can see, it is mostly black, like you see a lot of black, but the lining here, the textile is actually a very pale pink, just as this one. So this is awesome. I mean, black and white I think is so classic, it's so chic, it goes with everything pretty much. And the pale pink, I mean, I love pink. And this, I mean, all of this together just makes me so happy. So we have this notepad. I love this notepad. I love the design of this one. So cute. Once again, I feel like I have to inspect the planner a bit more before I actually, you know, open it completely. But the inserts in this planner are very specific to this planner. So, I mean, you have these, you can see the note pages here are beautiful with the design, with the pink and the polka dots. I love that so much. That I can definitely use, you know, for anything. But then there's also like inserts with like that's very specific to event planning, and like here's menu ideas. I mean, I'm not planning menus, and shopping list. This is not really the type of shopping list I would need. So some stuff in here, it's not going to be very useful for me, but I'm gonna use the inserts that I think are useful for me, and the rest I'm either gonna give away or something, or use as scratch paper, I don't know. So can I take this off and be able, okay, so I think I can take this off and be able to put it back again. I don't think this planner feels like this is in better shape than the other one. We have once again an elastic pen loop. This one is a little dirty. Can I take that off maybe? I think I can. I love the style of these, you know. I love when KIKKI make the inserts the same style as the planner, so it just kind of goes together. I love that. Also the rings, I should probably check the rings. These look really tight. Oh, so that's a little bit of gapping. Let's see if I open it and then close. Sometimes that helps. So it's not really gapping. This one is a bit more gappy than the others, but otherwise they're really tight. So this planner is gorgeous, and I'm gonna use it. Actually, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna use it for, but I feel like it could definitely be an all year round planner. Very feminine, very chic. But yes, this planner, I love it so much, and finally it's in my hands. That's amazing. All right, so next up I have a planner that I did buy pre-loved, but it was unused, kept in its box, not ever having been properly opened. So like on the inside, all the like stuffing stuff is still in there. And I did actually buy this one from my friend Daisy from My Green Cow. She was so kind to offer this one to me. I talked about that I was looking for the lemon yellow KIKKI planner, which was released about 2 years ago. Back then, for some reason, I didn't really look at this planner twice. I think it was mainly because it does have silver rings, and back then I was like, okay, gold only. But recently I've been a bit more open, and I've also been mixing metals a bit more, so I feel like I'm okay with the silver now. And I love the color of the planner, so when she said that she had it and hadn't used it, I would rather sell it to someone that would use it, and offered it to me, I couldn't say no, and just she was so kind. But because I already had like 2 planners on the way, I felt like, you know, I shouldn't buy another planner right now. But when she so kindly offered it to me, I of course couldn't say no, so I bought it, and now here it is. She sent it in the same box it came with. She did write me a super sweet little note, and this was part of the kind of Christmas special gift things. So it did come with the stickers here, as well as 2 glitter washies. And here's the planner, guys! My goodness, it's so pretty. I love this color so much. Before I open the planner though, I just want to show you these, because in case you didn't know, Daisy has her own shop called Cloudy Cow, and she was so kind to send me a bunch of her handmade charms. And I don't know, it was way too kind, way too much. I'm just overwhelmed by her kindness. So I got this one with pink and black glitter, so cute. I got a pink one, hot pink, a kind of aqua colored one, a gold glitter, and then we have these really awesome feather ones, so cool. So if you want to check out her shop, that's the URL right there. But now let's get into the planner. So this one is gonna look really pale, I feel like, on camera. And I mean, it is pale, but it is a pastel yellow. It's called lemon yellow. I wouldn't call this lemon. I feel like lemons are brighter yellow than this. But it is a pastel yellow, I would say, and I love yellow. I love both bright and pastel yellow. So I have my bright yellow KIKKI in A5, which is my summer planner, and now I also have this one, and I'm so happy about it. So, like I said, this one has silver hardware, so we have a silver button and silver foiled KIKKI logo on the back here. It is the same type of leather, actually, that my other planners. I think it is my favorite. I don't know why, I just really love the texture of this leather. It's so nice to hold. And then on the inside, here she is. So something that I think, I don't know why, but I didn't get this when I first saw this planner 2 years ago, but I do get it now. The inside is so fun. So we have, you know, the lemon yellow here, but we also have this really fun polka dot pattern, this gray and white polka dot pattern in the back. And for some reason, I don't know, it's just such a fun pattern, you know, the combination. But like I said, it's brand new. She hasn't used it. She bought it and thought of using it, and then she hasn't, and then she offered it to me, which I'm so happy for. So, you know, it comes with a regular notepad. This is one of those boring ones like KIKKI, you know, used to have in every single planner. This one is not unique to this planner. And we have the zipper here as well. And then let's see, I'm just gonna open and close the rings because that's a good thing to do once you get it. The rings are in really good shape. I mean, this one I could just open because I am gonna keep this one. This pen was also, I mean, technically it didn't come with the planner, but it was part of the Christmas pack, which, you know, the planner came with, so I did get the pen as well. I might keep this one in here, we'll see. The dividers are really boring in this planner. It's the same type of dividers I got when I bought my black one with black and white polka dots inside at the same time for like 50% off. I think this is when Daisy bought hers as well. And I'm probably not gonna use these dividers, but just like I haven't with my black one. But either way, there's stickers as well, all the same, with monthlies as well. This is like the old KIKKI inserts. You know, keep in mind this is like 2 years old. Bunch of meeting notes. I always use these as scratch paper because I don't really use meeting notes. And a bunch of to-dos, and then we have just a bunch of note paper, I guess. Yes, the rest are just note paper, so. And then we have the notepad in the back here. And that's the pattern, as you can see. Just a very nice light gray with white polka dots. I think it's a really just pretty and cute, you know, design. Like I said, it's simple, it's a little bit subtle, but it's still there and makes the whole thing a bit more fun. So I think that's part of the KIKKI style, like simple, but still adding something more to make it a bit more unique. So yeah, guys, these are my 3 new KIKKI A5 planners, and I am in love with each of them for, you know, different reasons, of course. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. I guess it was kind of an unboxing and review in one. I'm so excited to be adding these to my collection. All the colors make me so happy. Alright, so I'm jumping in with another little clip here, filmed a couple of weeks after the ones you just watched. So I did end up messaging KIKKI and talking about the flaws with the first mint planner that I got. Mostly that the pockets were like crooked, like they weren't aligned the way they're supposed to be. And they were so kind to send me a replacement, and that's the one I have right here. And I thought, why not unbox this one on camera and put it in the same video so that you can see that hopefully this one is better, you know, and everything is fixed, so I won't have to feel bad about that other planner anymore. So let us see. I hope this one is in perfect condition. Alright, so okay, let us see. Just ripping this. Okay, so at first glance it looks really good. Stitching looks good. The button looks good. Everything on the outside so far looks good. So I'm nervous to open it on the inside, but I hope it's okay. Let us see. Alright, so just checking the pockets first. Oh yeah, these are the way they are supposed to, so yay! They are straight and not crooked, just the way they are supposed to be. And this one is great too. Yeah, everything seems to be okay. I think they had someone like double checking this one, so this one has been like checked before it shipped to me, so making sure that there are no flaws. Now that I have this one, I can actually open it and show you, but first I'm just gonna check real quick in the back. Okay, this one is like perfect. I have nothing bad to say about this one. Okay, this is great news, guys. KIKKI are just awesome for having such great customer service. I'm gonna open this one up and we're gonna take a look. Because as you remember, I never properly opened that other one. So personally, I haven't even seen the inside of this yet. All right, so we have the pockets, we have the pink notes. Here we have the copper zipper, which is smooth and nice. The interior is great. I still love that there's some pattern in there, but still really subtle. Okay, so the white rings look great. They are really tight. Like really tight. These might be the most perfect KIKKI rings like on any planner I have, actually. Okay, so the first divider you have seen, it says slow down to speed up. This is for calendar, and the inside, oh, these stickers are so pretty. I love the colors. We have some more stickers here. Here's personal information, and here starts the calendar. And it's just a standard blank one. You've seen this before. This is like the old kind of KIKKI. They've started a bit more creative, I think, with the monthly or the calendar view. But this planner has been out for a while, so I knew that already. Oh, this one is so cute. Say hello to the good life. Love that. I really do like these dividers. I love this like pastel yellow. You are enough. It's so cute, and everything has like copper foiling. It's so pretty. I am gonna keep the dividers, but I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna keep them in this planner because I have a lot of plans for this planner. Here we have lots of to-dos. Oh, and this is like split in two. I don't think my other KIKKIs have had this. That's cool. This one says find your balance. These dividers are so cute. And this is just notes, I think. Yeah, it's just notes, note paper. This one says, it's a beautiful day to do something just for you. This is so cute. More note paper, have less, do more. Something I might do if I don't end up using these as dividers is that I might actually cut them up and use as journaling cards. That way I can incorporate them into different planners. I can put some of them in here and I can also put some of them somewhere else because I love the colors and I love the quotes. I think, you know, it's so pretty. More note paper. Where focus goes, energy flows. That is really true, actually. I really like that one. This one is like a light gray color, I think. And yeah, there's just more note paper. Yeah, but that was this planner. It is gorgeous. Now I feel like I can truly love this planner because it is perfect. It even lies perfectly flat, which most A5s do, or large KIKKI planners, but it's just so satisfying to me. I love it. So now I feel like I can properly end this video and say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I also hope to see you next time. Bye for now!